Alrighty, so let me show you how to use AI to design your room. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to this page called My Room Designer AI. And I have left a link to it in the description. And once you're on this page, just sign up by clicking Design My Room. And I have already done so, so it will automatically direct me to this page called Create Your Own Room Design. And then, as you already saw, I have this image here on my desktop, which is of my office space. So this is what the office space that I'm in right now looks like. As you can see, it's a bit of a mess. It definitely needs some redesigning. So what I can do now is I can click or drag and drop the image here, and then I can choose the restyling option. If you have some inspirational images, you can just click this inspiration mode to create more similar images. But because I, and probably you also want to redesign your room, click on the restyling option and then choose the room type. So for example, for me, it's going to be home office, but you can choose from all these different options and then choose your design style. I don't know what's the right word for this, but for example, I'm going with the modern room design, and you can choose some colors. For example, we can do neutrals, white, beige, light brown. And then you can literally describe the AI as if you were talking to a real person on what you want to do with this room. So for example, here I'm telling the AI that I want to make this room modern and comfortable space to work in. And also don't worry about this text here, you can change it if you want. This is something that the AI already generated, so it's basically describing what it's seeing in this image, and it's also describing what it's going to do for the image. You don't have to change this. If you want to, you can read what it says and you can add stuff into this one as well, but I'm not going to touch it for now, so I'm just going to upload the image, choose the model, choose the room type, and create a short input, and then click on generate. And this will take about a good 2 to 3 minutes for the AI to render all these images. And here we go. In about 2 minutes, we have this completely new design. And the first impression is that these are actually incredible. So if you look at this, it looks so much better than the original image. For example, here we have this, this looks like I'm in some kind of a jail, to be honest, compared to these ones. Perhaps the only thing I notice is that, well, we can actually visit the dashboard to see all my creations. So all the images that you see right here are from the same original office space, and I have created these all with the AI. So here, if we look at this one, you can see that it's kind of good, but the problem is that, for example, in this office space, I have the door over here. So obviously I can't do something like this to the wall because then I wouldn't be able to enter my office. So there you have to use some common sense, so you can use these images as your inspiration. But that's not always the case. For example, I will show you some of my earlier creations. For example, here you can actually see that it's a perfect match to what I have right now. So here the AI has retained the door position exactly how it is, and also the tile wall, which looks kind of nice. So this is actually quite incredible. This is entirely AI designed. I haven't touched this image at all. So basically all I did was just upload the image, choose the room type, and tell what I want to accomplish. For example, here's another really cool looking one. Also the door position is there. This looks absolutely incredible. And one thing I noticed instantly is that this image doesn't really have that many artifacts compared to those other AI designers. So yeah, you have this lamp that is kind of looking messed up, and also this, I don't know if it's supposed to be a screen here, but this is looking a bit confusing, and it seems that the AI has missed its mark right here. But if you look at the image, otherwise you have all these consistent elements. You have the lamps, you have the door, you have the books and plants and lamps and whatnot. So everything seems to be pretty much exactly what it could be. So I could almost one-to-one implement the design that is shown in this image in my room. But let's do a little comparison. So for example, here's a room designer that I thought was incredible like 8 months ago or so, called Reimagine Home. And if we do a comparison, here's the original image that I used with this tool, and here is the AI generated space. if you look at the image, I don't know what's happening right here. And also, this table doesn't look that convenient because it only has these 2 legs. I don't know if this would actually fall over, probably not because there's a wall, but this is the first time I'm seeing something like this. Also, it has 2 chairs, although it's just for 1 person. And yeah, this sofa and this system right here looks pretty decent. But then once again here, I don't really know what's happening. So this is probably some kind of a DJ table or some kind of a bar table. It's definitely something that doesn't belong to my office, to say the least. So this is the state of the art like 8 months ago, 1 year ago with these AI designers. So they could give you some inspiration, but most of the stuff would have been completely useless, to be honest. But now, because we have My Room Designer AI, this is actually getting very close to these ideal designs. So yeah, there's still something off. For example, the table seems to be levitating here, but you can get much better direction and inspiration from images like this. And then one thing you want to do is, if you have one of these images that you like a lot, you can click on this upscale option here. So as you can see, if we zoom in these images, you can see that the image quality isn't quite there. So you can fix that very easily by clicking the upscale option. So this will turn your image into a higher resolution image that looks much better. So we're going to wait for a couple of seconds. And here we have the upscaled version. So right now the definition is much better and the image quality is much sharper. So that's something you want to do if you have those images that you fall in love with. Then you can also clean up and replay stuff here. You can, well, I will show you this in just a second. You can create more similar images. So if you want to have similar designs, just click on this button. You can obviously download your design, and then you can also find similar products to what you have in this image. So for example, if you want to buy these plants or monitors or these chairs or tables, you can click on this find similar products so that they will match with what you see here. But then here's something you can also do. So here it says add to designer. It will create you a mood board where you have your room design. And now you can add text to this one, you can add some objects to this one, and you can change the color of those. But more importantly, you can also add products. So for example, we can do table and we can search from the catalog. And for example, here we have a table that costs $400. We can click on that and we can import it to our mood board. And this way you can create a mood for your board based on the design of your room and based on these products that you will import. And once your mood board is ready, you can publish it by clicking on public and then just click on share, and it will create a link to this mood board that you can share with anybody. So this is pretty cool. So if you want to create these kind of mood boards where you have all these products and colors and objects that fit the color scheme and the style of your room, that is something you can do with My Room Designer AI here as well. So that's basically how you can create a room design using AI.